First, you'll need to access your router's configuration page. To do this, open any web browser on your Mac or PC and type your router's default IP address into the address bar. In most cases, this will be 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, but it can vary depending on the router model. If you're not sure, check the bottom or side of your router. The default IP address is usually printed there, sometimes labeled as IP address or access URL. Once you enter the IP address, press enter and you'll be taken to the router login page. Now, log in using your router's username and password. In many cases, the default username and password are both admin, or sometimes the username is user and the password is admin. These details are also commonly printed on the bottom or side of the router. If you're unable to log in, you may need to check your router manufacturer's website or contact your internet service provider for assistance. After logging in successfully, look for the wireless, Wi-Fi, or security section in the router settings. This is where you can manage your network name and password. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to update, then locate the field labeled Password, Security Key, or Wi-Fi Key. Enter your new desired password in that box, making sure it's strong and secure. Once you've entered the new password, click Save or Apply to confirm the changes. Keep in mind that once the new password is saved, any devices currently connected to your Wi-Fi network will likely be disconnected. If that happens, simply reconnect those devices using the new password you just created. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Wi-Fi password.